Get excited about the 2012 Ford F-150. Comfort and convenience were prioritized within, evidenced by amenities such as front and rear reading lights, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a rear step bumper, and one-touch window functionality. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing a comprehensive certification process, including a rigorous 169 point-by-point inspection. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.